Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Honest SR. In this episode, we'll be looking at the Apple Watch Series 5 in gold aluminium with the Milanese loop gold. Now, the Series 5 and Series 4 had the introduction of Milanese loop in gold. And I just wanted to try it out and see what it looks like. So here's the Apple Watch box. Now, the only difference between buying this at a store and online is the packaging. So it comes with a plastic seal when you purchase it online. However, when you purchase it at store, and if you use that creative studio that they use where you pick the case and size and the band, any band, they actually make it out the back for you and package it. So opening it up, it's exactly the same as Series 4, the packaging. There's nothing majorly different there. So that's the watch and that's the band. All right, let's look at the Milanese loop band first. So everything is just basically the same nowadays with the band casing. They used to have the leather bands in a hard case, but nowadays they put everything in there. And also they used to put the stainless steel in a box as well, a square box. Nowadays they put everything in that elongated box. Let's get that out of the way. Right, so basically packaging is exactly the same. I guess the good thing about that is you'll be saving on a lot of waste. So there's no different packaging and things like that. Yeah, it looks exactly like the silver or the black one. However, the gold, while I'm looking at it, it looks a bit dark and dull, to be honest. But I've since used it and it looks okay. It doesn't look too bad. In the video, it does look dark and dull though. And even when you have it off your arms, off your wrist and just sitting, it does look dull. Now let's open the Apple Watch itself. As you can notice, if you've looked at other unboxings of the Apple Watch Series 5, I've got quite a few of them, and Series 4. I'll include some links in the end as well. It's exactly the same. First thing you'll notice, the difference is the case that it's in. So, oops, dropped it there. Thank God I didn't scratch it. But this case that it comes with, the cloth case, is in gold color. Everything else is the same. The wires and the base, they're not in gold or anything like that. Not like the Beats headphone, the wire matches whatever color the headphones are. Okay, now putting it on, I wouldn't recommend putting it on like this. I would recommend inserting both sides and then sliding them together. See, like it's really hard like this. It's like straining the, yeah, so I don't think you guys can tell from the video, but it was quite strenuous on the band. Right, so that's basically it. And putting it on now, it does have quite a different look. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to look at a comparison of the Milanese loop in silver with a silver case watch next to a gold with a gold case watch, and I'll do a comparison of that and see which one is better. In the videos, to be honest, Apple's videos, the gold looks beautiful. However, having it on my wrist and having it in my hand, it's not that impressive. Silver looks a lot better. I'm of the same opinion with the black. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.